bet you wish that I was still right there. Used to live right there, now I'm everywhere. Got bitches everywhere, I'm so debonair. I'm a millionaire, I act like I don't care. That's cause I don't care. Still right there, used to live right there. Now I'm everywhere, got bitches everywhere. I'm so debonair, I'm a millionaire. I act like I don't care. That's cause I don't care. When he coming, nigga can't lose it. Oh, she tryna make love, I'm tryna make movies. Wait, oh, don't be crying, bitch, I do this. I stunt for real, these niggas students. From the front, my bitch a beauty. From the back, look at that booty. She wanna parlay with my goonies. I'm tryna three-way with her roomie. Hey roomie, I bet you wish that I was still right there. Used to live right there, now I'm everywhere. Got bitches everywhere, I'm so debonair. I'm a millionaire, I act like I don't care. That's cause I don't care. Still right there, used to live right there. Now I'm everywhere, got bitches everywhere. I'm so debonair, I'm a millionaire. I act like I don't care. That's cause I don't care. Still right there, used to live right there. Now I'm everywhere, got bitches everywhere. I'm so debonair, I'm a millionaire. I act like I don't care. That's cause I don't care.
Mr. Brent Fayez, I know you see my DMs. I've been DMing you for over 3 months now. I'm gonna need you to respond because I know you see them. I see you eating chicken, I see you smoking weed, I see you drinking and actually, you're barely making music. I'm gonna need you to drop more songs because Dead Man Walking I was not satisfied with because I had already heard it before. And I'm gonna need you to drop a whole album this new year. 2021, I expect more from you. This is ridiculous. It is very ridiculous. So, you need to
Message delete.
I bet you wish that I was still right there. Used to live right there. Now I'm everywhere. Got bitches